Hi everyone, Pamela here. Welcome back to our channel. And in today's video, we're focusing on Searchbug's SSN validator tool. But what is an SSN validator? An SSN validator is a tool that can be used to verify the validity of a social security number. And SSN validation is important in preventing identity theft. So in order to access Searchbug's SSN validator tool, you will need to request for the SSN verification add-on, and you can do this by clicking the Apply Now button over here. Once you click that, you will be routed to a page where you will need to provide some information about your business, and you will also need to explain how the information will be used. Once done entering your business information, click Apply. Once your request is approved, you will then be able to access the SSN validator tool. Once your application is already approved, you'll receive an email notification confirming that your application is now approved and you can start validating SSN. So let's go to Business Services, hover your mouse to SSN verification and then click Validate SSN. We can now start validating SSN. So you just need to enter the SSN and then click Verify. The result is pretty straightforward. It will show as valid or invalid, and it will report the state and year or year range when the SSN was issued. It will also show if the SSN is active, reserved for future use, or if it belongs to a deceased person. So we have here a sample report that will show this information. If you click Sample Report, so if you click Sample Report, this is the information that will show up. If the SSN is valid, it will show the status, if it's active, and if it belongs to a deceased person or not, if the SSN is reserved for future use, or if the SSN is invalid. That's it for today, everyone.